G'day everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the stopwatch feature on your EFEL, NFNL or DFDL Fords. As we can see, it is not documented in the owner's manual. So we've got functions, search, reset, overspeed alarm and clock, but as you can see it's not listed there. But if you have the factory repair manual, there it is. Isn't that strange? So relatively simple. So you can't be in clock or overspeed. You either have to be in either of these other modes, such as instant fuel, average per 100, average Ks, and your range. So you have to hit the reset button and hold it for 5 seconds and then let it go. Here we go. So now we're in stopwatch mode, and all we have to do now is press reset and that'll start the stopwatch. How neat's that? And so this will go up to 10 minutes, where you can rewind the video and pause and have a read of that section of the manual. Well, that's pretty neat, isn't it? So, and to pause the time, you just hit reset, and if you want to reset it back to 0, you just hold it for 5 seconds again, or not 5 seconds, a few seconds, and you're done. And to go back to any of your other modes, just hit search and you're back to where you were. Nice and easy. Thanks everyone.